Bachelor of Science Honors Anthropology BScan course offers human genetics, which helps students explore the origin of humans, their culture, and how societies function. IGNOU students often face challenges in preparing their synopsis and project report, but with the right guidance they can easily achieve approval and success. Students pursuing IGNOU BScan should not delay in submitting their synopsis. The submission period for December term end examination is from August to October, and the final project submission examination. The synopsis submission happens from February to April, and the project submission from April to May. Completing the project on time ensures smooth evaluation and better. Students fail to get approval because of lack of proper format or unclear objectives, which can be easily avoided with expert help. Self-GAN provides complete support for IGNOU BScan students, from topic selection to synopsis writing and final report preparation, with the best success rate and timely approval. Self-GAN has guided hundreds of students towards successful completion of their IGNOU projects. If you want your project approved without delay, contact Self-GAN.